everyone, welcome back to my channel Fandom Toys, and in this video we are going to start a CMC car manufacturing company series. In this episode of CMC series we are gonna talk about the Tesla company, which specializes in manufacturing electric vehicles. We are also going to see some Hot Wheels Tesla models, so stay tuned. Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. Tesla was founded in July 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning as Tesla Motors. The company's name is a tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. The next three employees were Ian White, Elon Musk, and Jeffrey Breinstrobel, all of whom are named as co-founders of the company. Elon Musk, who formerly served as chairman and is the current CEO of the Tesla Motors. Now we are gonna talk about Tesla's car production.
Tesla Model S.
The Tesla Model S is an all-electric 5-door lift-back sedan produced by Tesla and was introduced on June 22, 2012. It has a range of 345 miles and the prices of this vehicle starts at $99,990. The related Hot Wheels Tesla models comes in different color variants like white, metal flake, dark blue, dark gray, and Spectra Flame Red.
Tesla Model 3.
Tesla Model 3 is designed for electric-powered performance with dual-motor AWD, quick acceleration, long range, and fast charging. The Model 3 was also the top-selling plug-in car in Europe in 2019. Musk revealed that the current cost for producing a Model 3 is around $38,000. The related Hot Wheels Tesla Model 3 comes in 4 color variants: pearl white, metal flake red, silver metallic, deep blue.
Tesla Model X.
The Model X is mid-size all-electric 5-door SUV made by Tesla. The vehicle is notable in that it uses Falcon wing doors for passenger access. The Tesla Model X is the priciest option of all Teslas, with an actual starting price of $89,200. The Hot Wheels Tesla Model X also comes in 4 color variants: white, red, black, gray.
Tesla Model Y.
The Tesla Model Y is an electric compact crossover utility vehicle (CUV) by Tesla. Tesla unveiled it in March 2019. Now we are gonna talk about the unveiled Tesla cars. In the unveiled Tesla cars, we have
Tesla Roadster 2020.
Elon Musk wants to make the fastest car in the world, and it is going to be all-electric Tesla Roadster with the price of $200,000.
Tesla Semi.
The Tesla Semi is an all-electric battery-powered Class 8 semi-truck in development by Tesla. 2 concept vehicles were unveiled in November 17.
Tesla Cybertruck.
The Cybertruck is designed to have the utility of a truck with sports car performance. Built to be durable, versatile, capable, and high performance both on road and off-road. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and that's all now for this episode of CMC series. Stay tuned for the further updates from the leading car makers, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe.